everyone. Today I am going to discuss the question number 6 of database management system. Let's see the question. This is the question set 6. In here, the board of directors of MySQL Academy has decided to computerize the information of all the teachers in the educational institute. So this is the scenario, and in the first question we have to create a database called MySQL Academy. So first let's create this database. For this question I'm going to use the Heidi software. So first I'm going to create the database. The name, first I want to give the name of the database. And I have created the database. And the next question is, we have to create the table called student. We have to create the student table. And now let's create this table. This is our database, and now I'm going to create the table. And now I'm going to enter the table name. This is the table name, and in the question we have given the instruction to create the table. These are the column names to enter into the students table. Now I'm going to enter these column names into my table. The first column is student registered number, and its data type is voucher, and its length is 10. So first let's enter this column name. Now I'm going to add the column. The first column's name is student registered number, and data type is voucher. Its data type is voucher, and the length is 10. Like this, I'm going to add other columns. I have entered the column names to the table, and now I'm making this student registered number as a primary key. I'm going to create a new index for this column. It is primary key. And this is all for the columns, and now I'm going to save this table. So here we get the table, and let's see the next question. And in the third question, we have to enter these data into the table we already created, and when entering data, enter the data graphical. For this, we can enter data by graphically, not by query. So I'm going to add the first row to the first column to the table. Now I'm going to add the first column, the student register number, and the first name, the last name, then the gender, and the contact number. This is the first column of the student table, and now like that I'm going to add the other tables to other columns too. I have entered all the data into the teachers into the student table. In the next question, in the fourth question, the data of some of the students who have entered above should change as follows. Write the update query statement required to update the data. In here, in the fourth question, we have to write update queries. The first one is the gender of the student whose student registered number equals 6 is marked as female. Let's see. The 6 is marked as female, so we have to change it to male. In the student below, its student corresponding to the 6 student registered number equals to 6 should change the gender to male. So that's the first part, and we have to write an update query for this. So let's write it. I'm going to write an update query. Here's the query for the first part. I have set the gender to male where student register number equals 6. So let's execute this query. And let's see the data, and here the normal, the 6 equals normal. Now gender is female. Let's refresh this and you can see the column has been updated to male. So it's for the first part, and let's see the next part. In the second part, Nathuni Vijay Singha's student register number 10 is stored in the database. It should be changed to STU010. Let's see. Yeah, Nathuni's student register number has been saved like this, so we have to update it. So let's write a update query for this. I have write the query to update the second part. In here I have set the student register number to STU-010 where student register number equals this. So let's see the data. Here you can see this is the previous one. Now I'm going to refresh it and you can see it has been updated. Here the Nathuni's register number has been updated to STU-010. So this is the second part, and let's see the next part. In the third part, student register number equals 20. Student's first name must be changed to Kalani. Write the required updated query. So who's the Lahiru should change to the Kalani. So let's see. Here's the query for the third part. In here you can see I have updated the first name to Kalani where this is the condition. Where condition is this, and I have updated first name to Kalani. So let's execute this and let's see. Here it's still Lahiru, and I'm going to refresh this and you can see it has been updated to Kalani. So this is the third part, and today I have discussed the question set 6. So thank you everyone for listening.